Okay, blues lick number 1. I'm going to play this over all the C's and G's. Over the F7s, I'm going to play the flat third. So again, the slur to the major chord over everything except the F7. The F7 goes like that. This is a great app called Jam Tracks, Guitar Jam Tracks. I'll press play. F7, C7, G7, F7, C7, G7. There you go. Blues lick number 2, very similar, same progression, very similar to the last one, whereas the first one started on beat 1. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one starts on 2. 4, 1, 2, 4. It's similar, but it's got, instead of playing the third and the fifth, you're playing the third and the octave. So let's do this thing exactly the same pattern as before. C7, F7, play the minor third, F7, C7, G7, F7, C7, G7. Ta-da! Okay, lick number 3, same pattern of chords, except this time it goes okay, you get the idea. Let's play the track. C7, F7, F7, C7, C7, G7, F7, C7, G7. Tricky talking and playing at the same time. I'm going to whiz through the next few because they just stay the same. You can play the same thing throughout the whole progression. The first one goes like this. The next one is another one is like a trill sort of thing, where you do the rocking motion with your hand, C to C. There's another trill that goes if you get that rocking thing, like turning a key. And that's another cool one. Right then, peeps, there are 10 easy-ish licks all together. These are the last 2. I'm going to play them over the jam track because the timing is a bit more jazzy, if you like, a bit more tricky. So here we go. That's the first one. And then the next one not particularly difficult, but the timing is.